think. Thumb. This. Mother. Same two letters. What's the difference? Let's find out. Pattern 1. Voiceless TH. Put your tongue gently between your teeth. Now blow air. Listen. Think. Thumb. 3. Thursday. Bath. No vibration, just air. Pattern 2. Voiced TH. Now touch your throat. Say, v. Can you feel the vibration? Listen. This. That. They. Mother. Weather. Same letters, different sound. The pattern. TH is often voiceless in many content words. Think. Thin. Thank. TH is often voiced in many common function words. This. That. These. Those. They. It's a useful pattern, but not a perfect rule. Here's your challenge. Look at this word. Clothes. How many sounds do you hear at the end? Don't look it up. Say it slowly and write your answer in the comments. And contact us now for the complete English language course.